Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name's Mandy. I do nail tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how I did this cute New Year's fireworks nail. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and I hope you have a great New Year's. Let's get into the video. Okay, first off, we're going to use the eye method foil transfer gel glue. Boy, that's a mouthful. Anyways, I have used this several times and it has worked perfectly every time, except for when I used it on this video when I was doing the firework part. Anyways, you go ahead and you put that on all over the nail, but if you put tips on and you're building a nail, you will probably want to make sure that you take a clear bead of acrylic or polygel so you have a flat surface. Put that on, cure it for 60 seconds. Make sure you wait 30 seconds after you cure it. Let it set and cool. Then you go ahead, take your piece of foil that you're going to use and rub it all over there. You'll be able to tell a little bit when it's applied properly or if it's going to stick. Just pull up a little bit of the side. Don't rip the whole thing off right away, because if there's pieces that aren't sticking, you can just keep rubbing that spot. But on this, for some reason, there's a shiny part and then the other side is kind of cloudy. So I went ahead and took the foil glue again and put it on that cloudy part and pieces that were missing. Cured that for 60 seconds again and waited 30 seconds after, and then went ahead and rubbed it on there. Then I go ahead and I take my matte top coat, apply that over the whole nail, and I cure that for 30 seconds. After I apply that, I take my Profile Backstage frosting white paint, which I love. It's gel paint. So since it's gel paint, you will have to cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. I go ahead and, well, before this, I took a pencil and I stenciled in where I wanted these 2021 numbers all over the nail, and then I traced it with my paint. That way it's easier to tell exactly where you want it, and you can erase and all that. I don't know. That's how I do it. Anyways, I have my flashlight. That's a UV flashlight. And as you can see, I take that into spots and I cure the ones that I put. That way I don't accidentally bump it while I'm doing the other ones. But after I'm done with everything, I will cure that for 30 seconds. After curing, I take my base coat from Model 1s and I cover the nail and cure that for, or no, sorry, I don't cure it yet. I take the stars from this that I got off of Amazon and I place it all over the nail. And then I take my Cura Sky Builder Gel after curing the stars on. I cover the nail. I don't put tons I put a nice thin layer over all that just so none of the stars are poking through. Cure that for 60 seconds in the lamp. Then I go in with my half rubbing alcohol, half acetone mix and clean off the sticky layer, and take my Tammy Taylor 100 grit peel and stick file, and I clean up the edges and make sure that everything is smooth and even on top. After filing it even, I go in with my buffer and make sure I get all them scratches out. Then I take my matte top coat, cover the nail, cure it for 30 seconds. Which I almost forgot to do here with the buffer, like I said I was going to do, but anyways, after I buff the nail, then I'm going to take the matte top coat from Makartt, cover the nail, cure it for 30 seconds. After curing the top coat, I go ahead with the iMethod foil transfer glue again and my Neo Nails brush, the tiny thin brush, and I make my lines where I'm gonna have the fireworks at. And this is the part I was telling you didn't work very well, and I think it's because I didn't have enough product and I didn't wait the 30 seconds after I cured it for 60 seconds. I ended up taking more foil glue gel and putting it over the spots that I had previously and tried it again. It still wasn't as shiny as I wanted it to be, but I ended up fixing it in the end. I'll let you watch. Now I'm going to put a dab of the Makartt base coat on this palette and use my Glitter Planet Pearl Fire glitter. And I'm going to go over the bottom part of the fireworks at the bottom, and I'm going to put little dots to make it look like little sparks coming off the fireworks. And on the top, I'm just going to put it all over the fireworks since it didn't turn out the way that I wanted it to. And then when you got to make sure that you put the glitter on the base coat before you cure it, and you can cure that for 30 seconds after you get the glitter on. After you cure it, go ahead and dust off the excess glitter, and you could keep it that way. I think I like it better that way. I wish I would have kept it like this. But you can also go ahead and go in with the base coat again. Go over the whole thing, cure that for 30 seconds, and then take the Kiara Sky Builder Gel and go over all of that. I don't like sugar nails, which is what that would have been. You could feel the texture is what sugar nails means. And I don't like feeling texture on my nails. I like it smooth. So I'm just showing two different ways, shiny and matte underneath with the sugar fireworks. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And sharing is caring. You can share. Leave me a comment and let me know which nail you like best, the shiny encapsulated one or the matte sugar nail. And of course I go in with my Makartt top coat, cure that for 60 seconds, and there you have it. That is the shiny version, encapsulated. Tell me which one you like best. This one or the one I originally had with the matte underneath and the sugar effect on the fireworks, which is right now. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a happy new year. God bless you.